Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. So today's video is going to be a video that I definitely do not want to make, but we are at a point where we kind of have to make it. So yeah, we kind of got in a little car accident with the Charger Redeye. Yeah, horrible news, sad news. If you guys want to know more about it and how it happened, then you got to watch the last two videos. I made part 1 and I made part 2, and this is part 3. So I definitely advise you to watch the first 2 parts. Otherwise, this video is not going to make sense. So watch those 2 parts, then watch this part. So anyways, for the people who have watched those 2 parts and now are on part 3, then let's get into today's video. So today, this video will be taking apart the Charger Redeye. We're gonna basically find more damages because most of the damages are behind the bumper. In the last video, we found more damages without even taking the bumper off, just by opening the hood and popping this little thing. I don't know, whatever it's called. You guys gotta watch that video so everything makes sense. So all the coolant is gone, which means we got to put a little bit in there just so we can make it to the shop. Alrighty. Hopefully this is enough. So now we close this and the coolant is shooting out from right here. I don't know if you guys see it. It's not shooting out anymore, but it was shooting out over here. As you can see, it's all over right here and also over here. So yeah, hopefully this is enough to make it to the shop. So we're making our way down to the shop right now, and I'm keeping a close eye on the coolant temps, and they are going up. We're literally stuck in this like construction zone, and we could have literally been at the shop like fucking 10 minutes ago, but we're literally just stuck in this construction zone. But anyways, here's one thing I wanted to say, and this is something that I found very weird. When the accident first happened, there were no fluids that were leaking, no coolant, none of that. Even days after, nothing, no fluids at all. And this morning, all of a sudden, we got coolant everywhere and it's leaking. So it's very weird. I don't know what happened to cause it to leak. Alrighty, we made it. And the coolant temps are literally at 210. Let me see. Bam, look at that. Oh, why is it not? All right, come on, focus. Okay, not focusing, okay. Okay, 210. Wow, that's a close one. Let's turn, well, actually, I want to show you guys what it's doing. That's if there is any coolant left in here. Look at this. Look at the coolant spraying everywhere. It's coming out of here. There's literally coolant all over the engine, over here, literally it's all soaking in coolant. Let's turn it off. All right, we turned that off. Oh my God, look at that. Smoking a little. That's not the car, it's just that the coolant went everywhere. I mean, it's literally here, here, here. It is all over the place. It literally made a big mess. It's on the belt. It is everywhere. I don't think it got on the intake because it was covered by this, but it's literally everywhere. Holy moly, dude. Literally every time I come here, I find more damages, okay? What a fucking mess, dude. I hope the coolant going everywhere doesn't damage anything else. I don't think it'll damage everything else, but look at this. It's literally smoking from the coolant. Hey, Nick!
Another new car, guys.
Oh, this is another new car?
Yeah,
I mean, it's a lot better than your last one. What was it, a Camaro with no doors?
Camaro falling apart.
You also had that Challenger with no doors, remember?
I had the RS7 too.
Ooh.
I sold it though.
Yeah, I mean, you're just flying through cars, aren't you?
Yeah.
What's this? What's this all about?
It's F90, man.
F90, look at you. Ooh.
Sounds nice,
Ooh.
right?
Do that again, do that again, do that again. Ooh. Now that sounds good. how good this thing looks.
Come on, I hit your car by accident, bro.
Come on, bro. I let you use it one day and you hit my car?
Sorry, I don't know who put the white table there.
How did you do this, Nick? Oh my God. You know you're paying for this.
797 under the hood, man.
I know. We need a new motor now.
Shoot, not enough horsepower.
Yeah, and a transmission. Look what you did, bro.
I'm sorry.
Come on, man. So we jacked up the Charger to have a little more room to be able to take off the bumper. So as you can see, the bumper is pretty damaged right here. And then we got the bar in here that is damaged as well. And then also when we drove this thing here, we were leaking coolant. So there is no more coolant in here. So I'm afraid the radiator might have been damaged. I'm not sure. We're not gonna know all the damages to this car until we take the bumper off. So that's kind of why we're here. Come on, kick it for me.
No, I can't.
Come on, please. I give you a pass to kick my car once. Yeah, just once.
I'll kick the door.
Okay, no, the door's not damaged. So we got Donnie here helping us take off the bumper, and in order to get the bumper off, we gotta take the front wheel off because there's like a little screw or I don't know, something. It's all the way in here, so it was impossible to get without taking off the wheels. So we're gonna have that here. We gotta do this side and then we gotta take off the other side as well. So we got one side off and now we're jacking up the other side to get this wheel off so we could get a little more access to this side of the bumper.
Looks like it's just hanging loose in there.
Yeah, this one was broken. So the tab on this one broke. That one is not broken.
Okay, can you hold the light then? Hold it back.
Yeah, I'll hold it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have some little connector lights right here on the side.
This one, ooh. So you guys see the thing that holds the light up is broken. So that's why we gotta replace the entire light. All right, we disconnected the light. And bam. So everything is off. As you can see, this thing is gone. And then it hit the condenser. This headlight was messed up. This one was okay. There's a little smudge right here, but I don't know if that's from the PPF. I think it is from the PPF. So that is the PPF. We're gonna take the PPF off because we gotta get it redone anyways. But see, the PPF took a little bit of the damage. See, the headlight is completely fine. Thank God for the PPF. Even here, it took a little bit of damage. I don't know if the radiator is damaged. Do you think it's damaged?
Yes, the condenser and the radiator, I believe, are
Gone.
Gone, and it's a question as to whether the cooling fan assembly is toast. We'll pull the mechanical
cooling
out of
fan?
it. Take a good look at that.
Yeah, so we know that one headlight is completely gone. We know that the condenser is gone. We know that the radiator is gone. And I believe the fan might be gone because when it turns on, it starts to tick. So now that we took off the bumper, we could definitely see, all the damages and all the parts we have to order. So now the impact bar has to come off. So we got one side off. It was welded in over here a little bit, so we took it off. He's getting the other side. Bam. All right. And it's off. Are these little pieces bent as well?
Yes, they are. They're quite damaged.
What are these?
These are the frame horns.
Frame horns. Wow. More damages.
So we're definitely gonna measure the frame and probably have me repair these, most likely.
So you don't have to get new ones?
Can. Definitely can. That's a choice that I usually leave up to Johnny.
Right.
You know, you guys can figure that out.
So we're gonna leave the condenser and radiator on the car because once we take all that off, it's gonna be pretty hard to move the car around or drive it from this side of the shop to the other to get it fixed. So we're gonna leave that on there until we get the new parts in. So we know we need one headlight. We know we need the impact bar. Those gotta get fixed as well. We need a condenser, a radiator, and I think we also need a fan. We got the bumper already in, so we need that. And I think that's pretty much all we need. And now we're gonna cover this thing up. So we're gonna leave it here covered up so no one comes in here and starts snooping around and looking at this thing and messing around. So that's gonna stay here. Now we gotta order the rest of the parts. Hopefully none of them are on back order. I don't think they are on back order. They said the headlight was on back order, but it showed up in 2 days. So I don't know. Oh, it's raining out here. It was literally sunny and now it's raining. Michigan is so bipolar.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8-day wake up and